gonna lie, this song's fake catchy. It's a catchy song. So we'll run through this real quick. I'm curious on the visual. We already starting out with cheeks? We already starting out with the cheeks? Bro, I'm 3 seconds in. Goodness gracious. This song was leaked on Max's stream? It was? Jeez, man. Where is this shot? This gotta be Florida. Where Marnie at? I know she in here somewhere.
I think I gotta take another shot.
Goodness gracious.
I think I fell in love with her thoughts.
Happens to the best of us.
The dog holding y'all got me hot. I think I'm busting or whatnot. I think I'm busting or whatnot. Tryna get the fucking or whatnot. I ain't with the fussing or whatnot. Tryna have you cussing or whatnot. I'm tripping on the yacht. I'm tripping on the yacht. I'm tripping on the yacht. I'm tripping on the yacht.
She get my pussy up, I'm on hot.
Yeah, Chad, that's that meat popping music.
No, you cannot spin
That's
this
that meat
block.
popping music. Yeah, hit with that little.
Are you feeling good to take another shot? Cause you know what's going down in the spots. I just put 100,000 on a watch. I'm full nuts and it's only 12 o'clock. By 2 a.m. I dropped that bitch over on Foch. By 3 a.m. I had another one, I'm shot. The way that ass shaking got me on rock. I hate a bitch.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Wow. This is probably one of the craziest angles I have ever seen in a music video. My man's is about to get suffocated by one cheek, not both. By one cheek. That's insane. This is a crazy angle. And you don't know where her cheeks have been. She could have ants on them cheeks like 2 hours ago, and you just letting them rest on the side of your face like this. This is insane. This is an insane angle. Crazy.
That is bad, but it's popped. My new bitch Jamaican, she love the top. And then all her bitch, she was throwing a rock.
I don't trust nobody.
I think I gotta take another shot.
I don't drink. I don't promote drinking either, but it's catchy.
I think I fell in love with her thoughts.
Is that Marnie? I know Marnie here somewhere. She part
The
of the
dog
Lord.
holding y'all got me hot.
Yeah.
I think I'm busting or whatnot. I think I'm busting or whatnot. Tryna get the fucking or whatnot.
Is that
I ain't
Bobby?
with the fussing or
Wait.
whatnot. Tryna get the fucking or whatnot. I ain't.
She looks familiar. Chat, who is this? I know y'all little horn dogs know who this is. She looks familiar. Like, does she do music? Why does this person look familiar? That's India Love. Oh, that's who it is. What's good, Nizzy? How you doing, gang? I was like, I know she looked familiar, but I didn't remember. But I knew she looked familiar. Industry thought. Oh, she get down like that? Oh, she like a Ruby Rose? She like a Ruby Rose? Like, she make her way around the industry? That's how she's in the industry type? Worse? She's worse? She was the face of old Instagram. Now, I remember that. Now, that's why I was like, she looks mad familiar. I remember, which is crazy. One of my best friends went to school with her, which is crazy.
With the fussing or whatnot. Tryna have you cussing or whatnot. I'm tripping on the yacht. I'm tripping on the yacht.
She was dating a sake?
I'm tripping on the yacht.
What?
I'm tripping on the yacht.
Please don't tell me that you're flipping when you're not. Baby, that pussy super wet and need a mop, yeah.
So much.
Baby, I think it's time to take another shot. I feel like
chill,
George
man. I'm a
kicking
new
in
man.
right now. We have way better sex on our Percocet. We have way better sex on our Percocet. Yeah, private party in Miami where your friends at.
so lit. This video is crazy, bro.
Yeah, I'm tripping on a yacht. It's shot o'clock, I don't need a watch. Big pop, big, make that pussy pop. Make it pop, make it pop. I make it like we topping on a yacht. I think I love you, I wouldn't not. I've been tripping, I'm tripping on a yacht. On a yacht.
I still like Bass Wax part the best. Rob 49's part's not bad. It's not bad, but I would say I like Cash Cobain and Bass Wax parts better. Like, if they took out Rob's part, no disrespect to bro, I would be cool. Like, he doesn't make it worse, but he doesn't make it better. You know what I'm saying?
I'm tripping. And nigga blowing up your phone like it's
a lot of people were saying that. Like, he didn't make it bad, but he also didn't like make it like, wow, it was beating, you know?
She said, Cash, you so different. Yeah, I be saying you never catch me.
Bro, we're at the slow part of the song and you still throwing it back like a maniac. Like, yo, we're at the slow part of the song and you still throwing it in 200 BPM. She gotta chill.
Slipping, I'm not. The dog, I be glitching. I'm trying to get into wherever I fit in or not.
But they didn't sing.
Trying to know if I should kiss it or not.
Max be doing a lot of stuff that be kind of fire. But hey, he's got his own vision. Gotta respect his vision.
I'm trying to see if there's a difference or not. Like, you the baddest bitch in the spot. Keep looking, you're making me hot. Damn, I think I gotta take another shot. 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 Yeah, I think I gotta take it up a notch. I think I gotta take it up a, like, whoa. I think I gotta.
I know Marty was not happy about this.
I gotta take it up a notch. Yeah.
W. That song's a vibe. I ain't gonna lie. I'll give it to Cash Cobain. That song is a vibe. This song is a vibe, bro. I like it. I like it. Just from a flow vibe, just the whole vibe in general. I like it. I think it's a W. I ain't gonna lie. I like the sexy drill, slizzy sound. Like, the beats are hard. I ain't gonna front.